Lamna keto na moko kuom ute asom. Nitiere ute ariyo madwaro mar mondo mi asom. James Obuba iwacho ni joluo nyaka chung gi jogo madhi timo dongruok ma wan go sani. Iwacho ni nyocha ok gin jodongruok. Aya, malo to nyaka wariwre piny ka to nyaka wakike. Aya, nitiere ote moro machielo mano mar CPA Wilberforce Otieno mano kinyalo mna ketna entiere koda pinje ariyo kanyo. Okomonde wacho ni musna okwanyo Shila kod jaduong' Owino. Entiere koda weche ariyo kende. Mokwongo wacho ni we should condemn Governor Kahiga and Gladys Wanga in equal measure. They are all reckless and demeaning the offices. Nyaka kongi ni siasa mag 1980s is over. Sani, we are campaigning for Kenya moja, not tribal. Haya, mara riyo, iwacho ni wadwaro mondo koro wabed kaka oganda chiel going forward, where everyone is given equal opportunity. Iwacho ni politics without the so-called or why not a chill narrative. By 2027, we shall, for the first time, practice democracy in Luo land, where someone like Charles Owino can be a governor without ODM party narrative. Sani onge ngama biro kono wane adhi konyo baba malo. Aya, mano paro moshiu kanyo gi Wilberforce. So kagima Wilberforce ni goni debe Charles. Dibege dodok tiaya koso.
And this year or not this year is not important to me. Gima important to me and it's this year going to do well when I'm long gone. Every time nyakwa bed ready ni dhano ok dag permanently. And that is why nitie jomoko ba osechando Jakom kabisa, because Jakom did not even enjoy. Because all the time kada ka jidwa dhi kamono ka jomoko ywaka tiende nyaka miye gimoro koko wuon. But now I've said ni gimo bro dongo maduong kabisa is his spirit. Mokwongo na winjo kiwacho ni ODM is the largest party in Africa. We should learn from ANC and we should learn from CCM in Tanzania. Maga are still the largest parties and they have lived longest. Even we can rebrand ODM and make ODM bigger. In fact, ODM can even form the next government.
More inclusive.
Because President William Ruto are the founders of ODM. And I think we are still going to ask him to come back.
Don't know okobin neno ni ODM rem.
Yes, but yeah, Mondo was succeed. What we do fair to ourselves, ni ODM rebrands by ensuring ni Kwabro Timo nominations to attain free and fair nominations in the party. But party of Timo free and fair nominations, then you can be sure the party will not survive. That one I can tell you. The party will not survive. Babato will never die. His name will remain. His spirit will remain. And we will come up with something. I've told you before, no one knows Kwaneno Yesu or Kwaneno Mohammed, but gin joma pod thrive up to now. Kalo regi timbe gigik manegi timo. Omiyo Baba Bende, we should unite and ensure ni he does not okotho forever. His spirit remains. But kikwati ginying Baba wrongly to hinyo our opponents. Manegi majo mokose timo. Kagedi kamoro ni ngane ok ngatwa. I told you cannot be a UDA. To koro ka ODM obiro. To koro joma no ODM manok jo ODM ka kori goyo. Kori penjo, what is the difference? Jogi no biro chon. Jogi koko biro. We are one thing. We are brothers. Okuchegi kata lango. Pokaneno kagi and gima nyaka joluo ngeni. A civil servant serve the government of the day. Koro kawuono Kenya wacho niya ni ineni civil service ni inegowa kaniti mwanadi. Civil service is serve government of the day. Yeke chimuri nyalo chopo malo kucho. Omiyo number one, nyaka wa protect our civil servants. Kata mana PS mi wachono. He's not a politician. He's a civil servant. Okonyal bedo dragged into politics. And mondo grow, machimoro bed ngato, mwach poko grow. Mai mana teach manyocho miye kodani individual. So Koro now he's building up to grow a Tijno. And most likely, okobi kata chung, because not everybody should run for a political seat. Onyalo bedo preserved to be in civil service and grow. Momed bedo PS moro kendo maduong, mochako bedo kata mana minister, mochako bedo kata mana chieng' moro head of public service. Ok ji te nyaka bi mabed governor. Nchi neno governor ma Nandi. He's only 40 years old. To sebedo senator, to sebedo governor idi. Nchi wacho ni en koro dwa dok kao kom MP to jiwak ni kom no tino adhi kure. And each must say to you, nobody is going to employ a governor who has been a governor for 10 years. So jomoko be must grow. So katamana ansani, I'm looking forward for something better than even being a governor. I'm looking forward for a national position.
That and pain.
Manyalo, a national position, not president at this stage. A national position. Makabete, anyandi konu nyithindo, anyakonyo better. That's what I'm looking for. If I get it, well and good. If I don't, then anyalo decide on what next I need. Because bedo, let me just finish.